Hey guys, today we would like to present you the 690 fairing from RADE Garage. 690 is already great dual sport, but we wanted to move it even more towards the adventure segment. That's why we designed this fairing. That brings you actually three main benefits. The first benefit, it's a better wind protection, of course. The second one are the strong LED headlights. That gives the output of 70 watts. That is pretty good output, and you have a really nice view when riding at the dark. And the third benefit is more space for navigation stuff you need on your journeys. Here is a bar where you can mount easily your navigation stuff, and here is a space where you can place 12 volt outlet to charge your phone, whatever you need. When designing the bike, it was very important for us that we keep the original handling and agility. So we designed the fairing as narrow as possible, so it matched exactly the size of the bike. Also, was very important for us that the fairing has good durability and it's light. Everything is made, the tower is made from aluminium completely, and this is fiberglass. So we also proved the durability on several rallies last year, and we had several crashes with it, and we are confident to say that it will really survive a lot. And the last point, we are also designers, so we wanted the fairing to look really nice and match actually the rest of the bike, and you had a feeling that it's coming actually from the factory. So if you like it, feel free to order on our website or send us an email with any questions. Cheers!